I'm teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. This is the third video on the chapter linear regression. In the last two videos, we have completed question number 1 to question number 5 of exercise 3.1. In this video, we'll be solving question number 6, 7 and 8 of the same exercise. So let us start. Now these are some formulas which you have already studied in standard 11th. Then we have used these formulas in solving the question number 1 to 5 of exercise 3.1. So these two slides are for your ready reference. Now let us start with question number 6 of exercise 3.1. The question is compute the appropriate regression equation for the following data. Now here you can see in the table x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. And these are the some values of x and y that are given. Now we have to calculate the regression equation of y on x, since y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So over here we have written, since in the given data x is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable, the appropriate regression equation is of y on x. So let us calculate now the regression equation of y on x. So here we prepare the following table for the calculation. Now see over here, I have copied the values of x and y, and also I have calculated the summation xi and summation yi. Then we need to calculate first the value of x bar and y bar. We know that x bar is equal to summation xi upon n. Now over here summation xi is 36 and n is equal to 6. So we get 6 6 are 36. So x bar is equal to 6. Y bar is equal to summation yi upon n. So that is summation yi is 60 upon 6. So we get y bar is equal to 10. Now using these values of x bar and y bar, we will calculate the values for these columns in the table. So students, I have calculated the values for these columns and we get summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to minus 67, and summation x minus x bar the whole square is equal to 50. Now we will be using these values in calculating our equation. We know that byx is equal to summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar upon summation xi minus x bar the whole square. Now from the table these values are minus 67 and 50. So we get minus 67 upon 50. So that is equal to minus 1.34. So this is the value of byx. Now we'll calculate the value of a. Now we know that a is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So let us substitute the values. Y bar is 10 minus byx is minus 1.34 into x bar, that is 6. So this is equal to 10 plus 8.04. This minus minus becomes plus. So this is equal to 18.04. This is the value of a. Now we can write equation of regression of y on x. is equal to y is equal to a plus byx into x. So let us substitute the values of a and byx. A is 18.04, byx is minus 1.34 into x. So this is the required equation of regression of y on x. So with this we complete question number 6. So students, see the question number 7. The following are the marks obtained by students in economics and mathematics. Find the regression equation of y on x. Now again in this sum we have to calculate the regression equation of y on x. That means it is just similar to the previous sum. So as usual, I have copied here the values of x and y. Also I have calculated summation xi which is equal to 305 and summation yi which is equal to 402. So we'll first calculate x bar and y bar. So we know x bar is equal to summation xi upon n. Now here number of observations are 5. So n is equal to 5. And summation xi we have got 305. So 305 upon 5, that is equal to 61. Then y bar is equal to summation yi upon n, that is 402 upon 5, so that is equal to 80.40. So we have calculated x bar and y bar. Using these values we can compute the values in these columns in the table. So we got summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to 3 and summation x minus x bar the whole square is equal to 10. Now let us first calculate byx. Now we know that byx is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon summation x minus x bar the whole square. Now from table we get this is equal to 3 upon 10, that is equal to 0.3. This is your byx. Now let us calculate a. We know that a is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So let us substitute the values. Y bar is equal to 80.04 minus byx is 0.3 into x bar. X bar is 61. So this is equal to 80.4 minus 18.3. So that is equal to 62.1. So your A is 62.1. Now the equation of regression. It is given as y is equal to a plus byx into x. So we get capital Y is equal to a is 62.1 plus byx is 0.3 into x. So this is the required equation of y on x. So this completes your question number 7. Now we'll solve question number 8. So students, see question number 8. For the following bivariate data, obtain the equation of two regression lines. That means here we have to calculate the equation of regression of x on y and also the equation of regression of y on x. So our columns are more now this time. Now first we'll calculate x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to summation xi upon n. So that is equal to summation xi is 15 and number of observation, that is n, is equal to 5. So 15 upon 5, that is equal to 3. Then we'll calculate y bar, that is summation yi upon n. So summation yi is 45 upon n is 5. So 45 upon 5, that is 9. Now using these values, we will calculate the values in this table. So students, after completing this table, we have got summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to 20. Then summation x minus x bar the whole square is equal to 10. And summation y minus y bar the whole square is equal to 40. Now let us first calculate the line of regression of y on x. So first let us calculate byx. Now we know that byx is equal to summation x minus xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar upon summation x minus x bar the whole square. So from table we get these values as 20 upon 10. So that is equal to 2. So your byx is 2. Now let us calculate a. A is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So our y bar is 9 minus 2 into x bar is 3. That is 9 minus 6. So you get 3. Equation of y on x is y is equal to a plus byx into x. So by substituting the values of a and byx, we get y is equal to 3 plus 2x. This is the equation of regression of y on x. Now we'll calculate the equation of regression of x on y. For this, we need to calculate bxy first. So bxy is equal to summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar upon summation yi minus y bar the whole square. So from the table we get these values as 20 upon 40. That is 1 by 2, or you can write it as equal to 0.5. Now we'll calculate a dash. A dash is equal to x bar minus bxy into y bar. Now your x bar is 3 minus bxy, we have got 0.5 into y bar. Y bar is 9. So you get 3 minus 4.5, that is minus 1.5. Now we can calculate the line of regression of x on y. X is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. So now substitute the values of a dash and bxy. You get x is equal to a dash is minus 1.5 plus bxy, we have got 0.5 into y. So this is the equation of regression of x on y. So this completes your question number 8. So students, till now we have finished till question number 8 of exercise 3.1. The remaining sums will be doing in the next video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.